Let's take a quick look on how to get more YouTube views using Pinterest. When you use Pinterest, you can just from one pin get phenomenal amounts of traffic to your website. As an example, this is one pin of mine and you can see that I have received 175 clicks from this one pin alone, and which has translated into numerous sales. So here is a step-by-step process. Step 1, let's create Pinterest boards. We're using Pinterest, so we need to create Pinterest boards. So there is a link in the description for a Pinterest SEO course. I have used this course to understand Pinterest SEO and also to create boards the right way. Creating boards the right way using the triggers which Pinterest is looking for will have long-term impact on your Pinterest account. So under Pinterest, these are my boards. So I have various boards relating to my niche. So create the different boards into which you need to place your uh, pins. So we will look at the pins later on, but the board has to be very relevant to the pin. So if you put the pin in some other board, suppose I have a board for vlogging and I place it in small businesses board, it's not going to rank high. So this is very important that the pin topic and the board topic should be a close match. So we would be having a board like this. For example, I have a board called Starter Mom Blog, and then I have pins related to this in this board. Step 2, we need to optimize the Pinterest boards. Optimizing your board is very important for ranking your pins. So as an example, this is my Starter Mom Blog board and this is how I have optimized it. So it's there in the title and it's there in the description. Click on the course link in the description to understand how to optimize this, your account, your boards and your strategy for Pinterest. Now we'll come to step 3, which is to create graphics. You can create two types of pins. You can have a video pin as shown here. This video pin, you will notice that video pins will have more views but less clicks. That's how they work. But what happens is it ranks, it gives authority to your account. So though I have very few clicks, this has accumulated watch time and this has accumulated views and it gives authority to my website. So you can create video pins. There is a module in the course which I have put in the description, which will using which I had created this video pin. It is a software. It's actually a paid software, but the module shows how to use it for free. So it's really good. And also I did a quick search on Pinterest for Smitten app. Okay, so if you see on the left hand side, number 1, that is a image pin. The number 2, that's the video pin which I showed you just now. 3, the right side bottom, that is an image pin. So I have all the rankings, first, second and third, for this particular keyword, and I am getting a lot of sales for this particular keyword. Now step 4 is to add meta descriptions. To rank anything you need to add proper meta descriptions. So you make sure that you have the keywords in your title, in your description, in the proper format. Now step 5 is to share your pins. So the other way is what I do is I have an email list. So I send out an email and I send a link to my pin, because my intention is to rank my pins also higher. So when they go to the pin, they click on the pin and then they go to my YouTube videos. So that increases impressions and click-throughs in my Pinterest, and also gets me views on YouTube. Another way to share your videos onto Pinterest, you just open your YouTube video, and below that you'll have a share button. Click on that, and on the left hand side top button you'll have the Pinterest pin button. Click on that, and then it will upload all your Pinterest boards. First click on the image you want to pin, and then you'll find the most relevant board for it, and then save this particular video to the most relevant board. So that's it, it's done. So if you add a video pin, it will look like this. This is the website tracking code. So you can see I uploaded this yesterday and I already have 455 views and a 7-second watch time on this one. And this will be that's actually a video pin. This is directly I have saved my YouTube video. This is how it will look. So it will save from YouTube, and this is how it will look. And also you can just have a pin like this, which is a static pin, and this pin is linked to the YouTube video. So when somebody clicks on this particular pin, it will take them to the YouTube video. So that's how you can get views for your YouTube video using Pinterest for free.